DesignSafe is a web portal that supports research for understanding the impacts of natural hazards. So DesignSafe includes two major components for researchers: a data repository called the Data Depot, and then a workspace that provides access to tools and applications that use high-performance computing resources at TAC.
Natural hazards are rare, thankfully, but we want to be able to simulate those events, understand what happens during a natural hazard so that we can create better designs and build better buildings which are resistant to earthquakes or hazards like landslides or storm surge.
In the past, we may simulate a hurricane as it's reaching land, trying to understand where the storm surge is the largest. But once the event is over, that information was lost, and linking those simulations to the impacts on the ground were lost. Now those things are integrated together to fully understand the impacts.
DesignSafe on the back end has TAC, which allows you to do a lot of high performance computing simulations. A lot of these involves running on millions of nodes, big regional scale analysis that requires huge compute power. DesignSafe gives you free access to all of those resources, and also you have the actual natural hazard data sets which are available on DesignSafe, so you can directly plug those into your simulations without having to download a huge amount of data.
We have such large scale data sets that people can really truly take advantage of new techniques such as AI and machine learning to fully understand the impacts of these events.
We've been building tools where you can just have a conversation with DesignSafe on Jupyter notebooks and say, build me a code to do this, and DesignSafe will automatically write that code for you.
We've done a nice job looking at the impacts with respect to understanding the physics of the hazard, the hurricane, the earthquake, the impacts on the infrastructure, but now we want to start integrating the impacts on the people, and then how the people and the infrastructure recover over time and prepare for the next event.
In terms of training future generations, we organize webinars as well as hackathon events. So by training them, exposing them to DesignSafe tools, we are creating future researchers and engineers who will use these tools, but also work with social scientists, because now we need to understand the impact, not just on the engineering side, but what is the hazard on people's life. So bringing social scientists, engineers, coders together, these hackathon events are helping future engineers achieve their goals.